What a difference a day makes. 7 miles in the blizzard today. This is where this guy shovels in here. Pretty cool, eh? So I'm just gonna go for a walk in here. Maybe a little toe topping. So pretty. The powder is beautiful. Love running on this stuff as long as you're up on your toes. Super important. Anybody that is thinking about running, don't start off heel clunking. Learn the proper way. Most important, I would say, get the book Born to Run. I just got the second one, Born to Run too. Learn how to run like we're supposed to, like humans, and it makes all the difference in the world. I've transitioned now from a heel strike and shuffler to a toe bouncer. Hasn't done anything for my speed or lowering my heart rate, but I feel like I could go forever when I don't have a bad calf, which I have today, but it's much better than yesterday. Most important thing for winter running is to layers. So I have my thin Brooks windbreaker on, a Columbia fleece vest, and a long sleeve wicking shirt from Amazon. Nothing expensive. I think a 2-pack is like $30. They work amazing. You don't need to spend a ton of money to be a runner. My shoes, well, the shoes aren't cheap, I gotta say, but you can get them on sale, which is, I've never paid more than $100 a pair for these Salomon Ultra Glides, which are soft and cushy and great for winter running on ice, snow, asphalt, doesn't matter. They're a good shoe for winter running. There's our view. I remember yesterday how sunny it was, minus 15. Today it's minus 6. Feels like minus 20 with the wind, which I've already finished running into that way. And now I'm running home that way. So, do something hard every day if you can. One push-up, honestly, and I don't want to preach, but the thing that you have to remember is that if you don't do it, that's one you didn't do. Eventually those all catch up to us, especially with our crappy Western American, Canadian diets. It's not good. Anyway, I love days like this. This is when you're grinding. This is when I'm tramping up a mountain in Utah in July that I'll remember these days and be thankful, I think, that I came out and did it. And it'll help me even get 1 more millimeter up that mountain. I'll take it. Anyway, I'm going to sign off and start running back home about 1 mile exactly away from here to my house. So everybody take care. And remember, that old dude is a runner. Bye now.